Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I am Ashley Marie. I specialize in vintage hair, makeup, and fashion with a little bit of a modern twist, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to be notified when I upload videos. Alright dolls, today I have another Valentine's Day look for you. I really think you're going to enjoy this. It's been a while since I've done an updo, and I really wanted to do something different. I'm so tired of doing the same style all the time. They're my go-tos, I love them, but sometimes I need to switch it up, and it has been a while since I've done an updo, and the theme's just really pink and red, focusing more on the pink. But before we get into this video, I'd love to thank today's sponsor, Ritual. Did you know that the top 5 best-selling gut supplements from the top 5 brands do not include a probiotic? Well, exciting news, Ritual is expanding their products and recently launched Symbiotic Plus, which is a daily 3-in-1 prebiotic, probiotic, and postbiotic supplement designed to support gut, digestive, and immune health. I've been taking Ritual for a few months now, and I've really noticed a positive difference. If you don't know what a prebiotic is, it supports the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Probiotics are live microorganisms and are included to relieve bloating, gas, and the occasional diarrhea. The postbiotic provides fuel to the cells that make up the gut lining and support gut barrier function. All it takes is one daily capsule. Symbiotic Plus boasts a clean formula that is vegan friendly. Transparency is at the core of everything that Ritual does, from the way the nutrients are sourced to the environmental impact. Subscription delivered to your door monthly with free shipping. Symbiotic Plus and Ritual are here to celebrate your insides. There's no more shame in your gut game. That's why Ritual is offering all my subscribers 20% off your first month using my code DOLL20. That's 20% off your first month by going to www.ritual.com/doll20. Thank you so much, Ritual, for sponsoring this video. Alright dolls, now let's get to this Valentine's Day look.
Okay dolls, so to first get started, I'm going to part my hair at the bottom, and I'm taking my Conair 3/4 inch curling iron and just curling this bottom section. I separated them into 2 pieces. Once I'm done with the bottom portion, I'm moving on to the sides and then moving on to the back section all the way up to my crown. You know the drill. And I'm stopping right here because this next section is going to be my bang portion. And then I'm curling these into larger sections. And once complete, you should have something like this. Moving on to makeup, taking off all this makeup. I'm taking my Lawless primer and applying that all over my face. I actually really like this primer. It was my first time using it. And then taking my Urban Decay Quickie Concealer. I actually really love this concealer. I know I'm going to look a little crazy right now, but it has like this brush at the end or at the top of the cap. I thought it was really cool, and I really actually love the way it blended out. Then I'm taking my Huda Beauty Glowish Tint Foundation, and I mixed that with my Urban Decay foundation, and I really loved this combo. Again, it was my first time using Huda Beauty, so it doesn't match 100%, but I really liked it. And then I'm setting my face with the Wet n Wild translucent powder, which I really love. It's a great alternative if you don't want to spend $40 on the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now I'm taking the Benefit Cosmetics 3D Brow and applying that on my brows. Going in with my Kat Von D Beauty signature eyebrow pencil and filling in my eyebrows. I'm doing it old school when I used to do them more flared out and then just setting that with some brown powder on top of it. And this is what I have so far. Next, going in with Urban Decay Primer Potion and applying that. I don't know if my primer got old, but it started to get really like cakey and choppy. This is the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking the shade Breakaway, which is this really shimmery nude cream color, and applying that on my brow bone, and then taking the shade Weekender and using that as my base. Going in with Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, I'm taking the shade Demure and applying that, and it's just like a subtle tannish pink color. Going in with Risque, it's this really pretty medium dark pink, and really focusing on my crease. This is sort of going to be, it's more of a subtle cut crease look. Now I'm taking the shade Doll Face and applying that on my lids. I really love this pink. It's so pretty. Now I'm taking Black Truffle and then just really deepening that sort of medium pink shade. Just so, again, it gives a subtle cut crease. Going in with this Pixie palette, I am taking this really pretty shimmery pink shade and applying that on top. And then on my lower lash line, I am taking Doll Face and applying that below. And then again, using that shimmery glitter by Pixie. Using Lorella Cosmetics Jewels highlighter, using that as my highlight. Now I'm taking e.l.f. liquid liner and focusing this eyeliner on the outer corner as well as the inner corner, but not the center portion of my lid. Because if I don't have much lid space, and if I do that, it's going to cover up the shadow. On my lower waterline, I'm just taking this nude color by Kat Von D. And then only applying a thin line with the liner on the outer corner. Next, I'm taking mascara and just applying that on my lashes. I'm taking these Daphne Beauty Poodle Collection lashes. I'm so obsessed with these eyelashes. They look so beautiful. This was my first time using them. And then applying some mascara on my lower lash line. Taking this Pixie palette, I'm using this bronze shade and applying that below my cheekbones. Going in with Daphne Beauty Rose Glow palette and applying this beautiful pink. Oh my gosh, I am so obsessed with this pink blush. It's so beautiful. I think it goes really well with my skin, and just really working that in. Then in that same palette, I'm using that bronzy shimmer shade as my highlight. Going in with NYX Cosmetics Toast Liquid Liner. I'm applying that on my lips. And then Anastasia Beverly Hills Stargazer lipstick and applying that over. I really, really love this combo. Now going in with Lawless Forget the Filler Gloss. I'm so obsessed with these little glosses. They sent me 4 and I'm down to 1.5 because I use it every day. And setting it with my Urban Decay spray. And this is the makeup look. I love it. It's so pink and perfect. So moving on to hair, I have these hair extensions that I've had for so long now. I got them dyed, and what I'm going to start doing is teasing the bottom portion of my hair. I curled the extensions, and then when I get to right here, I'm going to tease and then apply. This is a 3-clip weft to the sides, and now I'm not placing the extension all the way to the front because you don't want people to be able to see the extensions. So I'm taking those 2 3-clip wefts, and then now I'm taking this 4-clip weft and applying it, and it looks like a U because we're going to put it up in a ponytail, so you don't want it sticking all the way out. You don't want to apply it straight. Now I'm working on my bangs and teasing. This is going to be our barrel roll. Just really combing that through so it looks good. I'm spraying some big sexy hairspray and taking my Miso brush and just working through that hair. Make sure you don't brush out the tease, so be very careful. I'm just using my hands to kind of guide the hair and the roll. And I did place a bobby pin there so the hair doesn't fall down. Once you get it to the way you like it, just make sure to spray a lot of hairspray. Now for the ponytail, I'm just gathering everything up piece by piece. And then I'm going to take a rubber band and just tie my hair up into a ponytail. And then I'm just really going to start separating these curls and sort of teasing with my hands and then separating it so it's big and fluffy. If your hair's really long, you can use bobby pins to just pin the longer ends so they don't fall down. And then spray a lot of hairspray. Taking this nylon hair scarf, I'm just going to tie it. And then use some bobby pins to set it. And voila, that is the hair and the makeup. And here is the back. I just love this big fluffy hair. Here are these Betsey Johnson earrings that I got for $13 at Marshall's. I'm so obsessed. They are so stinking cute. And for outfit, this is the Rockin' Betty gingham dress. It is so gorgeous, super stretchy, super comfy, comes with the belt. I just love it. I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. It has a really sexy low cut look to it, which I'm obsessed with. And then I paired it with a pink with a red petticoat, some red heels, and perfect for my red scarf, and then tied it in with my grandmother's pink necklace. And then paired it with this beautiful red purse.
So this is it for today's Valentine's Day look, my loves. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what look you'd love to see next. I hope you dolls have a wonderful Valentine's Day, whether you're spending it with your significant other, with family, or treating yourself to a lovely night. I hope you enjoy it. I love you so much. Thank you for your continued support, and I will see you soon. Bye, my loves.